Today I will tell you how to design a DFA for the given input statement. The statement is design a DFA that accept the set of a string which start with A and the input symbol will be A or B. Right? So when you want to design a DFA, then you have to keep some points in your mind. The first point is you have to complete each and every state for the every input symbol which is given into the statement. So here the two input symbols are given A and B, so we have to complete each and every state for the both input symbol A and B. This is the first point which you have to keep in your mind. And the second one is, before designing a DFA, first try to find out the all possible strings which are belongs to the language. So let's start. First we will try to find out the strings of the language. So language contain A because A is a minimum string which start with A, any number of A's, and A followed by any number of B's. So the such type of possible strings will be belongs to the language which start with A. But if the string start with B, that is not accepted by the DFA. So let's start how to design a DFA. Initially we are in an initial state, that is a Q naught state. So we have to complete this state for both input symbol A and B. So in this state we have two possibilities, either we will get A as an input or either we will get a B as an input. So if we are getting A as an input, means the string is always start with A, that is accepted by a machine, then the machine will reach into the final state. This is a Q1 state, right? Another possibility is we are getting B as an input in an initial state. If we are getting B as an input in an initial state, then the string is always start with B. So this is not accepted by a language or a machine. So the machine will reach into the dead state. So here you can see we have to complete the Q naught state for both input symbols. Now we have to complete the Q1 state and dead state for both input symbol. So from Q naught state to Q1 state, we will reach traversing 1A. So this is accepted. So any number of A's and B's can come after 1A. This is accepted and the machine will keep looping into the final state. Once the machine will reach into the dead state, any number of B's and